All right, YouTube, y'all know what this is. This is Swamper. I'm at the house today. We are not doing any crawfish today. We are going back old school to where we originate, back to the East Coast today. We are not boiling anything. We are steaming some blue crabs. So listen, right now, I want y'all to understand that we know how to do this. We've been doing this for a long time. So look, what we got going on in this cooler. All right, look, y'all. We got some #1 jimmies in there, which are male crabs. Y'all can hear thunder and lightning, but guess what? We're gonna have these things rocking here shortly. So we're not worried about what's going on the outside, because we're gonna have these some yum, 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 yum on the inside. So we got some #1 blue crabs. And listen, they cold right now, but trust me, they are still alive. And we at the bottom, we got a few of those females. Y'all see those orange claws, you know the females. So those who do not know, I just want to show you what's going on. So these are #1, what we call jimmies. This apron right here, this is a male. You always know the male by that, and he does not have any orange on his claws. Also, he has, for lack of a better word, he has 2 appendages. You see that? He got 2 appendages. He uses them both simultaneously when he breeds his female. That female there, this apron, this is a female, all right? So that's what you'll know. Also, if you turn it over, you see she has orange on her claws. Some people call that her lipstick, but you can always notice a male from a female. This is a male, that's a female, all right? But we're gonna show y'all what we do. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start y'all off with my dry season. In our dry season, we literally have my own special blend of seasonings. We got J.O. and from Gulf Runner Seafood, we get some Art Seafood Boil. Yes, we do have water, but let me tell y'all something. One of our secrets, now it's not a secret anymore because you're getting to know, we put any type of malt liquor beer. Don't buy the high dollar beer like the Heinekens and all that stuff. We put malt liquor. Y'all see this is premium malt liquor. That gives your crabs a different taste. Some people who are afraid to buy beer or whatever, for whatever reason, they might use vinegar, but nothing tastes like this. Of course, it cooks down. Anybody know anything about cooking? When you put heat to alcohol, it cooks down, it renders down. So when we steaming, we actually put our malt liquor in the water. And we're gonna put this in the water and put these two on crabs, all right? So we're gonna steam and we're gonna show you how we do it. There's our water in our pot. And we just simply add the beer to it. Alright, you don't have to keep checking your water. If you see steam coming from your pot, it's doing what it's supposed to do and it's boiling. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this top off and we're gonna start dropping crabs. All right, everybody know Grizz. So Grizz is in the house today. Y'all got Uncle Stump in the house today. So, all right, so look, they're gonna start dropping crabs in and we're gonna hit them with our spices. Yes, you do cook crabs alive. They need to be alive. We just picked these crabs this morning. We had them on ice all day. So they are not as active as they would be if they were warm. But they still are active enough. See that rusted belly on there? That's a crab that's full of meat. Again, y'all, Gulf Runner Seafood. I appreciate their service. as we start splicing, I'm gonna speed this thing up for y'all. Been a good 10 minutes. My crabs ought to be orange by now. Y'all see that steam rolling, so we're just gonna turn off the gas. All right, we're gonna open it up. Y'all look at it. Don't know if you can see it or not because of the steam, but that's how you steam some crabs. All right, so now our little trick now, we actually put our crabs in another cooler. We transfer them to another cooler. So that's what we're gonna do now to keep them warm as we eat them. Some people like to put a lot of crabs on the table, and that's all fine and dandy, but crabs get cold quick. So to keep our crabs nice and warm, we also put it in a cooler once we take it out of the steam pot. All right, so as they're putting the crabs in here, I want y'all to see, most of you all have seen this table before. Haven't spoken today. That's Miss Lacey over there, and y'all see Keisha over there. All right, we got 2 more in the house coming. We got Crystal and Miles coming. So look, as you see this table, we got our butter warming up, and yeah, we have a little bit different setup today than we normally do with our crawfish. We actually have these knives. These are actually crab knives. They're hard plastic. And what we do with these while the crab is hot, not that we're scared to get our fingers dirty, you all know that. Just showed you how we steam them. Now we're gonna show you how we clean crabs, then eat them, all right? We also have these claw crackers. As you get older, you start and pay dental bills, you start thinking about your teeth a little bit more. So now we have these crackers that we can actually crack our claws with and get the meat out. So there's Crystal. We got 1 more that's warming up. But guess what? When the crabs hit the table, I can guarantee he's gonna be at the table. If you all see, we got crabs going into the cooler. And today we have just about a bushel of crabs. And again, I'm gonna tell y'all, Gulf Frontal Seafood out of Louisiana is who we get our seafood from, and they are nothing but the best. Y'all see what we got going on here. We got a cooler full of nothing but pretty orange blue crabs. That means they're done. All right, we get ready to put them on the table. So Uncle Stump is gonna show y'all how we clean a blue crab before we eat it. End to end. Peels right off. Then we clean the what they call the dead man or the gills off. Take the mouth off. Also on the other side. And we clean the inners out. And as we get that all clean, take the apron off. Or the appendage for the meal. This is a meal crab. And then I take them and bring it forward, snap it out. And look how that meat just falls out into your hand. Pretty, pretty, yum, yum. You get them some. All right, so as we're going, also, we take it off at the joints. And there's also some meat there. And we take these crackers and we crack the claw right around the bottom. And usually, the meat comes right out. Let's see what we got. And voila, there's the claw meat, ready to eat. Hope y'all got the nice tutorial. We going to work now, y'all. This is what we do. Y'all see, I told y'all as soon as the crabs hit the table, Miles will be here. Hope y'all enjoy your family. This is what we do. All right, everybody's at the table. This is Feathers and Family Outdoors. please, y'all take care of yours.